Hello everyone. Here I am discussing unit test of Carmel Convent School. So let's start with question number 1. A box has 4 red balls, 6 green balls and 12 black balls. Find the probability that the selected ball is not a red ball. Right? We have to find probability of an event. And what is the probability of an event? E. It is number of trials in which event E happens upon total number of trials. Right? And यहाँ पर what is the event E? That the selected ball is not a red ball. Right? Since the ball is not red, so ball is either green or black. Right? So number of trials in which the event E happens is 6 plus 12 upon total number of trials. Total number of trials क्या है? Total number of balls, that is 4 plus 6 plus 12. Right? So 6 plus 12 is 18. This is 22. So the probability turns out to be 9 upon 11. So 9 upon 11 is our answer. Question number 2. Perimeter of one face of cube is 40 centimeter. Find the sum of length of edges. So one cube is given to us. This is the cube, right? Perimeter of one face of cube means, so this is the front face. इसका perimeter is given to be 40 centimeter. Find the sum of length of edges. तो हमें sum of length of edges निकालनी है. उसके लिए सबसे पहले we need to find edge of the cube. अब edge निकाल लेते हैं with the help of perimeter, right? Perimeter of one face, and cube का one face is actually a square. So this is actually 4 into edge. This is equal to 40 centimeter. Right? So edge यहाँ से कितनी आ गई? 10 centimeter. So one edge is 10 centimeter. We need to find sum of length of edges. तो देख लेते हैं how many edges are there. देखो, these are the 4 edges on the front face. Back face पे भी 4 edges means 8. These 2 edges means 10 and these 2 edges. So total number of edges of cube is 12. So sum of edges this is equal to 12 into 10. That is 120 centimeter. So 120 centimeter is our answer. Question number 3. Draw frequency distribution table using telemarks. The marks obtained by 40 students of class 8 in an examination are given below with class intervals as 5 to 10. So we have to draw frequency distribution table using telemarks. And data is given to us and class intervals कैसे होने चाहिए? 5 to 10. Means first class interval क्या होगा? तो सबसे कम नंबर देखते हैं कितने हैं? 0. So the class intervals will start from 0 to 5. This will be the first class interval. Next 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 25 से आगे जाने की जरूरत है? 25 से ज्यादा मार्क्स नहीं है कहीं भी डेटा में. So these are the class intervals. Now we have to draw tally marks. 0 to 5 के बीच में देखते हैं सबसे पहले. 0 to 5 के बीच में 3. This is the first number. इसके बाद 1, 2, 5. क्या आएगा 0 to 5 के बीच में? नहीं, वो कहाँ आएगा? 5 to 10 के बीच में. तो नेक्स्ट नंबर 3, 0. 4 के बाद हम क्या करते हैं? ऐसे मार्क लगा देते हैं. नेक्स्ट 2. So the frequency for 0 to 5 is 6. Right? Again we have to check from 5 to 10. 7. 7. 5, 6, 8. ऐसे you can check. This turns out to be 10. So the next frequency is 10. 10 to 15, it turns out to be 8. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 15 to 20, the tally marks is as follows. That is 9. And 20 to 25 is, that is 7. Right? So this is the frequency distribution table using tally marks. Question number 4. Curved surface area of right circular cylinder is 440 centimeters square. If circumference of base is 1100 centimeters, find height of cylinder. Right? So curved surface area of cylinder is given to be 440 centimeters square and circumference of base is given to be 1100 centimeters. We need to find height of cylinder, right? Now curved surface area is 440 and curved surface area of right circular cylinder होता क्या है? It is 2 pi RH, right? Where R is radius and H is height of the cylinder. We need to find H. उसके लिए हमें R find करना होगा, right? अब वो कहाँ से आएगा? यहाँ से. Because circumference of base is 1100 centimeter, means 2 pi R is 1100 centimeter. क्योंकि जो सिलेंडर होता है उसका बेस सर्कल ही तो होता है. सर्कुलर बेस means circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi R is given to be 1100. अब 2 pi R तो यहाँ से आ गया and 2 pi RS is 440. So 2 pi R की वैल्यू यहाँ पुट कर दें, which is 1100 into H is 440. तो यहाँ से H आ गई 440 upon 1100. कैंसिल करा, क्या आ गया? Height turns out to be 0.4 centimeter. So 0.4 centimeter is our answer. Question number 5. The angles of quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:5:9:30. Find only the smallest angle of the quadrilateral, right? So ratio of angles of quadrilateral is given to us. So let the angles be 3x, 5x, 9x and 30, right? And हमें क्या पता है? That sum of all these 4 angles is 360 degree. Sum of angles of quadrilateral is 360, right? So यहाँ से क्या आ गया? 30x is equal to 360 and x is 12. Now we need to find the smallest angle. Smallest angle कौन सा होगा? 3x, that is 3 into 12. So the smallest angle is 36 degrees. So our answer is 36 degrees. Question number 6. A dice is rolled 250 times and its outcomes are recorded. Find the probability of getting even number. So again we need to find probability of an event E, and probability of an event E होती क्या है? Number of trials in which event E occurs upon total number of trials. Right? So यहाँ पर event E is getting even number. The number of trials जिसमें even number आया है, even number means 2 आ सकता है, 4 आ सकता है और 6 आ सकता है. तो 2 कितने ट्रायल्स में आया है? 45 प्लस 4 कितने ट्रायल्स में आया है? 38 प्लस 6 कितने ट्रायल्स में आया है? 40. राइट? एंड द टोटल नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल्स इज जितनी बार डाइस रोल हुआ है, एंड दैट इज गिवन टू बी 250. So total number of trials is 250. So the probability turns out to be 123 upon 250. So 123 upon 250 is our answer. Question number 7. How many square meters of canvas is required for a conical tent whose height is 3.5 meter and base radius is 12 meter? So एक conical tent बनाना है using canvas. और हमें पता लगाना है that how many square meters of canvas is required. तो जब conical tent बनेगा, so this is the tent. तो कितना canvas चाहिए होगा? जितना उसका curved surface area है. क्यों? क्योंकि base पे तो canvas लगेगा नहीं. Right? So we need to find curved surface area of cone. And curved surface area of cone होता क्या है? Pi r l, where r is the radius and l is the slant height of the cone, right? And we are given height is 3.5 meter, means h is 3.5, and base radius means r is 12 meter, right? Radius तो हमें पता है, slant height निकालनी पड़ेगी. वो कैसे आएगी? We know a relation between slant height and radius of the cone. वो relation क्या होता है? L square is equal to h square plus r square, right? तो यहाँ से L निकाल लेते हैं. L square is h square, that is 3.5 का square, which is 12.25 plus r square, that is 12 square, 144. So L square is 0.25156. Right? So this is the L square and L यहाँ से कितना आ गया? इसका root, that is 12.5 meter. So this is the slant height. अब curved surface area of cone निकाल लेते हैं. Pi can be taken as 22/7. Radius is given to be 12. And slant height हमने अभी निकाली है 12.5. Right? So when you calculate this, the answer turns out to be 471.42 meter square. So कितने square meters canvas चाहिए होगा? 471.42. This is our answer. Question number 8. Prove that if diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. So we are given a quadrilateral This is the quadrilateral ABCD, right? इसके diagonals AC and DB. So they intersect at A, and it is given that diagonals bisect each other, means OB is equal to OD and OA is equal to OC. Right? So what is given to us? That OC is equal to OA and OB is equal to OD. Right? We need to prove that ABCD is a parallelogram. अब कोई भी quadrilateral parallelogram कब होती है? When both pair of opposite sides are parallel. That is, we need to prove that AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. अगर हम ये प्रूव कर दें, then we can say that ABCD is a parallelogram. तो प्रूव करते हैं that AB is parallel to DC. अब AB किस ट्राइंगल में आ रहा है? इन ट्राइंगल OAB. एंड DC किस ट्राइंगल में आ रहा है? इन ट्राइंगल COD. राइट? तो अगर हम प्रूव कर दें that this angle is equal to this angle, then these will become alternate angles and AB will be parallel to DC. Right? अब इस एंगल को इस एंगल के इक्वल प्रूव करने के लिए I prove that these two triangles are congruent. Right? तो देखें, proof is in triangle OAB and triangle OCD. OA is equal to OC, which is given. Right? This angle is equal to this angle. Why? Vertically opposite angles. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. And OB is equal to OD, which is also given. Right? So by side angle side criteria, triangle OAB is congruent to triangle OCD. ठीक है? अब अगर ये दोनों triangles congruent है, then these two angles are equal. So this is angle 3 and this is angle 4. Right? So angle 3 is equal to angle 4. अब अगर ये दोनों angles equal हैं, then definitely AB is parallel to DC. Right? तो एक proof तो हो गया. Now we need to prove that AD is parallel to BC. On the very similar lines, इन दोनों triangles को congruent proof कर दो. Right? तो ये angle इस angle के equal, and on the similar lines we can say that AD is parallel to BC. So similarly, we can say that AD is parallel to BC. अब AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC means both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Therefore, ABCD is a parallel. Hence is our proof. Question number 9. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Find ratio of their surface areas. Right? So it is given the diameter of the moon. The diameter of the moon is dm. Is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. The diameter of earth is d. So it is given to us. We need to find ratio of their surface areas. So ratio of their surface area means surface area of moon is 4 pi rm square, where rm is radius of moon, upon 4 pi re square, where re is radius of earth. So this is the ratio of their surface areas. 4 pi to 4 pi cancels out. This is equal to rm square upon re square. राइट अब यहाँ पे रेडियस ऑफ मून और रेडियस ऑफ अर्थ में रिलेशन आ रहा है, पर हमें रिलेशन पता है डायमीटर से, राइट? तो रेडियस ऑफ मून को लिख सकते हैं डायमीटर का हाफ, द स्क्वायर, अपॉन ऐसे ही आर को लिखा डी अपॉन 2 का, राइट? सो दिस इज एक्चुअली इक्वल टू dm square upon 4 upon de square upon 4. This cancels out. This is dm upon de ka whole square, right? And dm upon de is 1 by 4. So this is 1 by 4 ka whole square. That is 1 upon 16. So ratio of their surface areas is 1:60. This is our answer. Question number 10. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. AD bisects exterior angle TAC, means these angles are equal, and CD is parallel to AB. These two lines are parallel. Show that angle DAC means this angle is equal to angle DCA. हमें इन दोनों एंगल्स को इक्वल प्रूव करना, राइट? एंड इट इज गिवन दैट AB is equal to AC. So if AB is equal to AC, then in triangle ABC, AB के opposite angle ये and AC के opposite angle ये. These two angles are also equal, right? So if this is x, this is also x. And AD bisects external angle CAC, right? So if this is y, this is also y. We need to prove DAC, angle DAC means y is equal to angle BCA, that is x. We need to prove x is equal to y. अब अगर ध्यान से देखें, ABC ट्राइंगल है जिसके ये दोनों एंगल्स हैं x, and this is the exterior angle to the triangle AB, means exterior angle, that is 2y, is equal to sum of interior opposite angles, that is x plus x, right? So 2y is equal to 2x and y is equal to x. y क्या था? Angle DAC, means angle DAC is equal to x, that is angle DCA, right? So first part is done here. Second, we need to prove ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram, prove करना है, and this line is parallel to this line. तो अगर हम prove कर दें that BC is parallel to AD, then question is done. And क्या BC AD के parallel है? बिल्कुल है. Since y is equal to x, these two angles are equal, therefore BC is also parallel to AD. Right? So therefore ABCD is a parallel. So both the parts are done. Question number 11. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD, means these two lines are parallel, and AD is equal to BC. These two lines are equal. Show that these four parts. हमें प्रूव करना है that angle A is equal to angle B, angle C is equal to angle D, and some triangles are congruent, right? अब एंगल A एंगल B के इक्वल कब हो सकता है? जब ये दोनों किसी ट्राइंगल में आ रहे हो और वो दोनों ट्राइंगल्स कैसे हो जाएं? कॉन्ग्रुएंट। ऐसे ही C D के इक्वल कब हो सकता है? जब ये दोनों किसी ट्राइंगल में आ रहे हो, राइट? अब यहाँ पे कोई ट्राइंगल तो दिख नहीं रही, यहाँ पे तो एक ट्रेपीजियम है, तो एक ऐसी ट्राइंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट करनी पड़ेगी जिसमें ये एंगल आ जाए और एक ऐसी ट्राइंगल जिसमें ये वाला एंगल आ जाए, राइट? अब कैसे करें? उसके लिए व्हाट आई डू, आई ड्रॉप परपेंडिकुलर ऑन CD फ्रॉम A as well as B. So first part is I constructed perpendicular from A on DC. So it meets DC at M, and from B as well, say it meets DC at N. Right? अब ये क्यों किया है? क्योंकि ये दोनों लाइंस पैरेलल है, तो AM is equal to BN, इसका हम यूज कर सकते हैं, राइट? अब देखें, एंगल D आ गया इस वाली ट्राइंगल में एंड एंगल C आ गया इस ट्राइंगल में। अब ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट है? बिल्कुल है। क्यों? राइट एंगल दिख रहा है, दोनों में है, हाइपोटेन्यूज इक्वल दिया हुआ है एंड AM is equal to BN, right? So triangle AMD is congruent to triangle अब AMD, तो AM is equal to BN and AD is equal to BC. So AMD is congruent to BNC. राइट? ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो गई बाय RHS रूल। अब अगर ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट है तो इनके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट्स भी इक्वल, सो एंगल D इज इक्वल टू एंगल C। तो फर्स्ट नहीं पर हमारा सेकेंड पार्ट प्रूव हो गया दैट C एंड D आर इक्वल एंगल्स। अब फर्स्ट भी कर लेते हैं, अगर C और D इक्वल हैं तो A और B भी इक्वल होंगे। क्यों? बिकॉज एंगल A प्लस एंगल D इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री, सिंस दीज लाइन्स आर पैरेलल एंड दिस इज द ट्रांसवर्सल, देयरफॉर दीज आर को-इंटीरियर एंगल्स। राइट? सिमिलरली एंगल B प्लस एंगल C इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री, सेम रीजन। अब अगर C D के इक्वल है तो एंगल A भी एंगल B के इक्वल है ना, क्योंकि एंगल A प्लस एंगल D इज इक्वल टू एंगल B प्लस C, तो C D के इक्वल है तो एंगल A इज इक्वल टू एंगल B। सो दिस वाज आवर फर्स्ट पार्ट। तो पहले दोनों पार्ट तो प्रूव हो गए, नाउ वी नीड टू प्रूव कॉन्ग्रुएंसी ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स ABC, this triangle, and triangle BAD, ये वाली ट्राइंगल, इनकी अब जरूरत नहीं है। हमें इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करना। फर्स्ट वन इज दिस एंड second one is this, right? अब अगर इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स में देखें, इसमें एंड इसमें क्या दिख रहा है? AD is equal to BC, it is given, angle A is equal to angle B, We just proved that. And AB is the common side. AB इस ट्राइंगल में भी आ रही है और इस ट्राइंगल में भी आ रही है. So AB is equal to AB. Right? तो इस ट्राइंगल में साइड एंगल साइड. Similarly, इस ट्राइंगल में भी साइड एंगल साइड. So by SAS rule, we get triangle ABC is congruent to. अब ABC किसके congruent है? BA B के. Correspondence ध्यान से लिखनी है. So this was the third part. Now the fourth part, diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD. अब वो तो हो गई. क्यों? Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So by CPCT, AC is equal to BD. So this was the question. Question number 12. Draw a histogram to represent the following grouped frequency distribution table. So the grouped frequency distribution table is given to us, जिसमें age दी हुई है and number of teachers दिए हुए हैं lying in different age groups. Right? We need to draw a histogram to represent this information. Right? And histogram बनाने के लिए याद करो सबसे पहली चीज, class interval should be continuous. But here class intervals are not continuous. So सबसे पहले इन्हें continuous बनाते हैं. ये देखो 20 to 24 and 25 to 29 means the gap is 1. So what I do, I subtract half of 1, that is 0.5 from lower limit and add 0.5 in upper limit. उससे हमारे क्लास इंटरवल्स क्या आ जाएंगे? 20 minus 0.5, that is 19.5 to 24 plus 0.5, that is 24.5. इधर 25 minus 0.5, that is 24.5 to 29.5. ऐसे ही सब जगह कंटिन्यूस बनाया. Right? Now the class intervals are continuous. तो अब इसका हिस्टोग्राम बनाते हैं. हिस्टोग्राम बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले एक्सेस बनाए. एक्स एक्सेस पे मैं क्या डिनोट कर रही हूं? एज. एंड वाई एक्सेस पे नंबर ऑफ टीचर्स. Right? Now the next part is scale. Scale कैसे लें? The class intervals are starting from 19.5 और यहाँ पे क्या होता है? 0. तो 19.5 लाने के लिए what I do? I draw a kink to compress the axis. तो kink लगाया, यहाँ पे आ गया 19.5. अब इक्वल डिस्टेंसेस पे लेने हैं सारे. तो 19.5 के बाद 24.5. ध्यान रहे डिस्टेंस शुड बी इक्वल. नेक्स्ट इज 29.5. 34.5, 39.5, 44.5, 49.5 and 54.5, राइट। अब y एक्सिस पे नंबर ऑफ टीचर्स, इसका स्केल क्या ले, 10, 28, 32, 48, 50, 35, 12। 10 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, 50 तक जा रहा है, तो लेट द स्केल ऐसे ले लेते हैं, यहाँ पे 10, 20, ध्यान से दिस शुड ऑल्सो बी इक्वल, 30, 40 एंड 50। ऑलराइट, तो 19.5 टू 24.5 के बीच में कितने नंबर ऑफ टीचर्स हैं, 10। तो बार बनाया, बी वेरी प्रिसाइज while मेकिंग हिस्टोग्राम। दिस वाज द फर्स्ट पार्ट। सेकेंड इज 24.5 टू 29.5 के बीच में कितने टीचर्स हैं, 28। तो 28 कहाँ आएगा, इसके बीच में 10 डिविजन होंगी, दिस इज 20 एंड द 8th डिविजन इज 28, सो हेयर। नेक्स्ट इज 32, 30 से 2 डिविजन अप, 48, 48, 40 से 8 डिविजन अप, 50, 35 and 12, so 50, 35, 30 एंड 40 के बीच में, एंड 12, 10 से 2 यूनिट्स अप। So this is the histogram. This is 10, 28, 32, 48, 50, 35 and 12. And the scale of this histogram is x-axis पे 1 unit is considered as this much, that is 5, and y-axis पे 1 unit is considered as 10 number of teachers. So this is the histogram. Question number 13. This is a question of case study, and these type of questions are newly added to the CBSE, and in these type of questions it is very important to read the question first, right? So let's read. You are studying in class 9. Your class teacher has organized a trip to Taj Mahal in Agra. Teacher narrated facts about Taj. There are few minarets which are cylindrical in shape and stand at the four corners of the Taj Mahal. There is a hemispherical dome of radius 35 above a height of 7 meters. So you visited Taj and a little description of Taj is given here, right? The first question is, what will be the outer surface area of the dome taking radius as 35 meters? तो जो outer surface area of the dome है, we need to find, and the radius is given to us. And जो dome है, it is actually hemispherical in shape, right? So we need to find the curved surface area of hemisphere. So outer surface area of dome is actually curved surface area of hemisphere with radius 35 meters. So what is the curved surface area of hemisphere? 2 pi r square. R is the radius and radius is given to be 35 meters. So यहाँ पे value put कर देते हैं. 2 into pi is 22/7 into 35 into 35. Right? So this cancels out. This is 10 and this turns out to be 7700 meters square. So this is the outer surface area of the dome. So the correct option is option A. Right? Second part, what will be the cost of the clothes of ₹100 per meter square which will be used to cover the outer surface area of hemispherical dome? अब जो बाहर डोम है उसे क्लोथ से कवर करना है, राइट? एंड कॉस्ट ऑफ क्लोथ इज ₹100 per meter square. मीन्स 1 meter square के लिए we need to spend ₹100. और हमें कितना क्लोथ चाहिए? 7700 मीटर स्क्वायर. तो 7700 मीटर स्क्वायर के लिए कितने रुपीस लगेंगे? 7700 into 100. That is ₹7,70,000. So the correct answer is option C. Third part of the question, what will be the curved surface area of minaret with height h such that it shares common base with dome? So we need to find the curved surface area of minaret and it is given that it is cylindrical in shape, right? So we need to find the curved surface area of cylinder whose height is h. Right? And what is the curved surface area of cylinder? 2 pi RH, where R is the radius and H is the height of cylinder. Height is given to be H and it is given that it shares common base with the dome. Means the radius of the cylinder is actually equal to radius of the dome. And the radius of dome is given to be 35. So let's find curved surface area. 2 as it is. Pi की value put करने की जरूरत नहीं है because answer is pi. So 2 pi, our radius is 35 and height is h. It is 70 pi into h. So the correct answer is option B. Right? Next part. If the top of minaret has the shape of concentric circle whose diameter is in the ratio 2:3, then which of the following is not the ratio of circumference of two circles? Right? So the shape of concentric circle means the top of minaret. ऐसे concentric circles जिनके डायमीटर की रेशियो दी हुई है 2:3. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट द रेशियो ऑफ सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ टू सर्कल्स? हमें फाइंड करना है कि सर्कमफ्रेंस की रेशियो कौन से वाली नहीं है. तो लेट्स फाइंड द सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ सर्कल्स, रेशियो ऑफ सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ सर्कल्स. सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ सर्कल इज 2 pi r, राइट? तो रेशियो क्या हो जाएगी? 2 pi r1 रेशियो 2 pi r2. Let the smaller radius be r1 and the bigger one is r2. But हमें डायमीटर की रेशियो दी हुई है तो इसे डायमीटर में चेंज कर लेते हैं रेडियस को. 2r is डायमीटर एक्चुअली, तो pi d1 रेशियो pi d2. So it is actually d1 ratio d2. Circumference की ratio is same as ratio of diameter, that is 2:3. This is the ratio. राइट हमें चेक करना है कि कौन सी रेशो नहीं है, तो चेक कर लेते हैं कौन सा ऑप्शन इज नॉट 2:3. दिस इज 1:15/10, that is 10:15, which is actually 2:3. This is also 2:3. This is also 2:3. So the correct answer is option D. Fifth part of the question, find the lateral surface area of two pillars if height of the pillar is 7 meter and radius of base is changed to 1.4 meter. तो अब टू पिलर्स का लेटरल सरफेस एरिया निकालना है एंड पिलर्स आर एक्चुअली माइनरेट्स विच आर सिलेंड्रिकल इन शेप, राइट. द हाइट इज गिवन टू बी 7 meter एंड रेडियस ऑफ बेस इज चेंज्ड टू 1.4 meter. हाइट भी दी हुई है, रेडियस भी दिया हुआ है. वी नीड टू फाइंड द लेटरल सरफेस एरिया. लेटरल सरफेस एरिया एक्चुअली कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर इज 2 pi RH, where R is radius and H is height of cylinder. Since there are two pillars, so the curved surface area will be multiplied by 2 and radius पता है, height पता है, find कर लेते हैं. 2 into 2 into pi की वैल्यू पुट की 22/7. Radius is 1.4 meter and height is 7 meter. So this cancels out. This is actually 88 into 1.4 meter square. Calculate करेंगे, the answer is 123.2 meter square. That is option B. So this was the paper. I hope you enjoyed solving it.